guys, what's up? It's Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my go-to leg/booty workout. I have been working really hard on my legs and butt for the past couple of months, and it's funny because I didn't really see the difference in how defined and toned my legs and butt are starting to look until you guys started to point it out. I would post pictures on IG stories as well as on my Instagram, and I would always get comments on Alicia, your legs look so good, or your butt's growing, or whatever the case is. And so I have slowly started to see the difference as well, and you guys have been requesting that I do, or I guess just show you guys what I have been doing to kind of define, tone my legs as well as grow my little booty. I do have a long ways to go, so by no means am I where I want to be, but I think over the past couple of months I have figured out some workouts that I feel really does target the legs, targets the butt, and you will definitely see some progress in a short amount of time doing these exercises. So I'll be showing you guys my 3 favorite circuits to do at home. You can use weights or not use weights. It's honestly up to you. I personally love to add weights because that really does help to, just add more weight, and it does strengthen the legs and the butt even more. But if you don't have any weights right now, it's totally okay. You can use no weights at all, or grab some water bottles, grab a jug of water, just find something in your kitchen or in your house that you can use to substitute weights. What I'll be using for my weights are 2 different weights. First, I will be using these dumbbells. These dumbbells are by Bowflex. They are no longer in stock. I get questions about these dumbbells every single day, and unfortunately I've had these dumbbells for over 2 years, so they are no longer in stock, you guys. I'm so sorry about that. I'll try to find some kind of substitute for them, and I'll link them down below, but they are adjustable. So right now they are set at 15 pounds each, but they are adjustable. So they go from anywhere from 5 pounds to 52.5 pounds per dumbbell. So a really good set to have. And then I also have this kettlebell. This is a 12-pound kettlebell that I got from Target. Super affordable. And then some exercises I may do without any weights at all. But for the most part, I will add weight, and it's usually between 12 and 15 pounds. 20 pounds max is about what I'm doing at this moment in time. So yeah, I have my weights, I have my water. I always have water on deck. So I think we are ready to get started. Hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, let's go ahead and tone these legs, grow our booties, and get fit. All right, you guys, so the first exercise for our first circuit is the Goblet Squat. So I do this for 30 seconds, and all I'm doing is just squatting with my legs out to about shoulder length apart. My feet are slightly tilted outwards, and I'm holding the weight up to my chest. And as you guys can see, every time I come up from my squat, I am squeezing my glutes. This is where you really feel the burn. So whenever you are working out your glutes, your legs, or whatever, make sure you're squeezing your butt super duper tight. So I do that for 30 seconds, and I move on to the deadlift. Deadlift is probably my favorite leg workout because it really targets both the legs as well as the booty. So as I bend over, I keep the weights against my legs, and then I snap back up. So I go down really slow, and then I snap back up, and again I am squeezing the booty. So this exercise I also do for 30 seconds. Actually, all these exercises I do for 30 seconds, and I repeat them 3 different times, you guys. So a total of 1.5 minutes per exercise. And there are 9 exercises in my leg and booty workout. So now we are on to the Sumo Squat. This is very similar to the Goblet Squat, except we have now lowered our weight. So we are no longer holding our weight against our chest, but we have lowered it. And again, you are squeezing that booty, and make sure you keep your chest and your back straight. You don't want to hunch over, and you want to make sure that your knees are not going over your toes. That is also important in keeping your form. So moving on to our next circuit, we are starting by doing alternating reverse lunges. And so I have each of my 15-pound dumbbells in each hand, and I am just reversing each leg and doing a complete lunge. And you'll notice that I tap my knee to the floor, and that just shows me that I've gone low enough while still maintaining my form. You want to still make sure that you keep your shoulders and your chest up and you don't wobble too much. This does test your balance, so I do wobble just a little bit, but overall I'm still maintaining my form, keeping everything nice and tight, and again squeezing the booty. So now we are on to donkey kicks, and I love these because you feel them so much in your booty. All I'm doing is kicking my foot backwards and then kicking my leg to the side. And I do this for 30 seconds, so I try to make sure I get at least 15 reps on each leg. So I'll do 15 reps on my left leg and then 15 reps on my right leg. So if I go over 30 seconds for this exercise, I don't mind because I want to make sure I get a good amount of reps per leg. And once I get done with that, I move on to the squat holds. This is so much harder than it looks, y'all, because you start to feel the burn after like 10-15 seconds max. So it really does push you, but it's totally worth it to keep going. Adding weight makes it even harder, but I love the challenge, and so I hold my weight up, keep that back straight, and go as low as I can go while holding it for 30 seconds. All right, so on to our last circuit. We are starting the last circuit off with squat jumps. This is pretty self-explanatory. I am jumping up and squatting. The key here, though, is to go as low as you can go whenever you squat and squeeze your glutes whenever you jump up. So this is a mixture of like squatting and cardio. It's a lot of work, gets your heart rate pumping, but you will definitely see results with this exercise. And for these last two exercises, you'll need a chair or some kind of bench. But first, we'll be doing glute thrusts. So you can either do this with no weight or you can use a weight, but put it on top of you like you guys see here in the video. And all you're gonna be doing is just laying your kind of back against the chair and thrusting up and down. It sounds so weird, but it burns so good. It really does work your legs as well as your booty. And again, as always, whenever you go up, you are squeezing your butt. And last but not least, we are going to be doing the Bulgarian split squat. So you put one foot on your chair and the other foot is pretty much squatting on its own. This really not only strengthens your legs and your butt, but it also works on your balance. I personally struggle with this workout, which is why I do it so often, because I really want to strengthen just get better at this. But you're just squatting up and down with one leg, and just be sure to try to maintain your form. Don't wobble too much, and as always, squeeze those glutes. All right, you guys, so that is it. That concludes my leg and booty workout. I will admit I do switch it up every now and then because I realize that whenever I do the same workouts over and over, I start to kind of hit a plateau. So I do switch it up. I do not just do those 9 exercises, but those 9 exercises are my go-to leg and booty workouts. Like if I really want a good burn, just randomly, I will always do this workout routine and I am good to go. You will definitely feel it for days to come, but it burns so good and I definitely see the results from doing so. So I hope you guys enjoyed this first workout video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. I would love to do more of these videos for you guys, so if y'all did enjoy it, please let me know. I would love to do like a arm workout because my arms, y'all, like they're just like, they're like slowly popping. So I love to do an arm workout for you guys, kind of show you guys how I'm getting my abs together, different things like that. So if you guys really want to see more of these workout videos, please, please, please let me know down below. As always, I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.